In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to build a site header in Squarespace. Creating an effective site header is crucial because it's the first thing visitors see when they land on your website. A well-designed header not only sets the tone for your site, but also helps guide your audience to where they need to go. Let's dive in and get your site looking sharp and professional. First, you'll want to hover over the top section of your Squarespace page. This is where your site header lives. As you bring your cursor over this area, you'll notice an option appear to edit the site header. Go ahead and click on that. This action opens up the header editor, providing you with all the tools you need to customize your header to fit your brand's unique style and functionality. Now, let's start with the site title and logo. If your site already has a title or a placeholder text, you can click on it to upload your own logo image. This is a great place to showcase your brand identity. A logo is more than just an image, it's a representation of your brand, so make sure it's clear and high quality. If you decide to use a logo, Squarespace offers the option to set a separate, smaller version specifically for mobile devices. This ensures that your site looks great no matter the screen size, maintaining a consistent and professional appearance across all devices. Next up is the navigation menu. This menu is essential as it helps visitors find their way around your site. Squarespace makes it incredibly easy to customize by allowing you to rearrange the order of your links. You can do this directly within the header editor by simply clicking and dragging them to your desired position. Alternatively, you can manage your links through the Pages panel. Keeping your navigation menu intuitive and straightforward is key to providing a seamless user experience. Think about what's most important for your visitors to see and make those links easily accessible. Moving on, let's add some interactive elements to your header to make it more engaging. Squarespace provides several options here. You can toggle on buttons for calls to action, which are essential if you want to guide your visitors toward a specific action, like signing up for a newsletter or booking a service. Additionally, you can add social links to connect your visitors to your social media profiles, a shopping cart if you're running an e-commerce site, or even a login option for sites that require user accounts. These interactive elements can significantly enhance the functionality of your site and improve user interaction. And there you have it. With these steps, you've learned how to build a site header in Squarespace that not only looks great but also provides essential functionality. Remember, your header is an introduction to your site, so take the time to make it welcoming and informative. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy building!